What's up, beautiful people? You're welcome once again to Victor FX Academy, and it's a very beautiful Wednesday morning, and it's currently midnight, as you know. It's yeah, 2:35 a.m. at the moment. So you're welcome once again, guys. And I'm bringing you today's video being the start of the week, basically our first video for the week, right? All right. So today we'll be taking a look at a few of the pairs that we, traded last week, and I would also proceed to give you some projections on what I'm looking at on a few pairs this week and also going forward, right? All right, so if this is your first time on this channel, basically what we do here is strictly for educational purposes, and it's just to give you guided view of what the market is doing, and if it's a thing of interest to you, you can choose to act on it. It's solely your decision. I am no financial advice. I am not I'm not a financial advisor, basically, and this is no financial advice, right? So I think it's very important you have that at the back of your mind. Yeah, so let's just get into the video for today. All right, so last week we looked at AUD CHF, guys, and if you recall, we had a break even right here at about 50% hit of our risk, and it was it took us out on this level at the 0.52498, which was our break even level, basically. So it was still some good profit, and looking at what the market is currently doing, we can see that the market is stalling at the 5 to 700 level, 5 to 800 level as well. Right within this level, you can see it's stalling right here. So, and you may be wondering, like, what's my take on AUD CHF, guys? If we go to the daily chart, you can see that we are kind of like trapped in this zone. The market has been ranging in this zone for quite a while, right? So, and I'm still very much bearish in my projection of the market, because this is and seems to be like an area of interest, if you would ask me, because the market has tried to break this level one, two, three, four times, and each time it gets to this level, it keeps stalling, right? It seems like exhaustion is really hitting the market at the moment. So I'm still having a very bearish bias on this pair, on the AUD CHF pair, right? So yeah, I would basically be looking for an entry to the downside. Although, like, this previous candle felt like it, but it wasn't it. So I'll still allow the market do its thing. When I do find a candlestick pattern that indicates to me or meets my conferences, meets part of the conferences that I have to take the trade or to enter the trade for a sell, then I would do that. All right, so that's just basically what I have for AUD CHF. Now on GBP CHF pair, on the contrary, I was really projecting that the market was going to move up a little bit and then come back and retest this level and then target this height, right? So right now, with what we're seeing now, this is supposed to give us a 1:4. This is supposed to be a 1:4 risk to reward ratio, risk to reward ratio. All right, so yeah, basically right now, we're still sitting on our hands because the market has satisfied one of the conferences, and so we're still basically waiting for the markets to still react one more time or give us the candlestick pattern we're looking into entering for a bullish move to the upside, right? So right now, this is forming very nicely. I know it's touched and bounced, but it's always good that we have enough gap. This was good enough gap for me And but I didn't take the trade right now. I didn't enter the trade, as you know, because if I had, I would have said so. So we're still sitting on our hands to see a candlestick formation within this area. This is our area of interest right now. So if it gives us what we're looking out for, excuse me, guys, it's been a very long day. If it gives us what we're looking for at this level, right, then we would enter in for a buy to the upside. And if we go on the daily chart, you would see very clearly that this is a very significant level here that got broken to the upside, and it has a clear retest, right? So upon this kind of move, when we see this, and this is a fresh break to the upside, if you see a trend line right now, looks something like this, right? So right from the upside to this level, touch, and then broke this level, and now both trend line pattern and a major zone pattern is adding up and screaming a very strong bullish move to the upside. So we're pretty much expecting to see direction before daytime, and maybe hopefully during daytime today we would get all our confluences right for GBP CHF, and then we will be able to take the trade to the upside, right, as we are projecting, right? So yeah, just be ready. Right? All right, so and the last one that I would like us to look into is the Euro GBP pair. Now, the Euro GBP pair, this is something very interesting. I was looking on this level, this other buy side, other block down here, but it tapped into the fair value gap right on this level and went high a little bit. Now, I'm not a fan of actually taking trades from FVGs. Yeah, I rather just take it from a significant level. So we're still sitting tight, on our hands very tightly at the moment. So basically, if we go to the daily chart, you would see that yeah, it's still very much very bullish. We have a very strong bullish move. So we're not doing anything at the moment. We want to see how the market will still react. It's still got a long way to go. So I don't know if we'll possibly have an entry indication this week on the chart. But if we do have any update, I'm gonna come up with an update. So that's it for the week, guys. If there's any other thing that comes up, I would do well to bring it up to you guys' notice. Remember, do not chase your trades. Remember to stay cool, stay collected, and risk reasonably. All right, risk reasonably. All right, so here is Victor FX Academy for those of you that are just watching or new to the channel. Do well to hit the subscribe button and follow us so that we can give you updates. We can give you very detailed and clear information on what exactly the market is doing, guys. All right, so um, that's about it for the week. I love you very much, and I'll see you on our next video. Stay cool. Cheers.